Meaning of inclined.
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 Inclined. The word inclined refers to having a tendency or preference towards something. It can also mean being at an angle or slanting in one direction. When someone is described as being inclined towards a particular activity, it means they have a natural inclination or liking for it. This can be seen in their behavior or choices. Being inclined can also refer to an object that is leaning or tilting in a particular direction. Overall, being inclined suggests a natural tendency or preference towards something, either in terms of behavior or physical orientation.